Okay, so if you just quickly want to learn how to tie this knot, click right here. However, I strongly urge you to continue watching this video because it's awesome. Is it awesome? Come with me, I want to show you something. What's up everybody, it's Lee here and I am the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy. And today, we're gonna go over the Clove Hitch Knot. This knot can be used for a variety of applications where you need a sliding knot. I use this knot for pole tents, but you can use this knot for wherever your imagination takes you. If you're doing tents or you've seen tents set up from my channel, this is the knot that is used when I'm not using ratchets. It's always good to use ratchets on the corners of the tent, but you don't need them on the sides. That rule goes for 20 wide tents. If you're starting to get wider than 20 wides, then you're gonna wanna put ratchets around the whole thing. Anyways, if you're using ropes, you're supposed to use the Clove Hitch Knot. So I'm gonna show you how to do the Clove Hitch Knot. So I've got my Hogan 3/4 inch tent stake here. See this here? This is the mystical tent spike. We've got the Hogan 3/4 inch tent stake in its natural environment. We want to harness it so it can erect the construction of a tent. We've got it! Crikey, by George, we've got it. Okay, how did I do that? You want answers? I've got answers. Let's pretend that this is your tent rope. This would be up on the tent, and then this would be coming down, and we're going to want to fasten it to here. So all you do is take the end piece of the rope, one counterclockwise circle, two counterclockwise circles, and then just put the second circle over the first circle and put it around the tent and pull. And there you go, you have a Clove Hitch Knot.
Okay, so just so you don't have to rewind, I'm going to show you one more time, so look close.
But Lee, I can't concentrate on that video clip with all the music playing. Okay, I hear you. Okay, let's do a refresher. Okay, to show you this, I'm gonna show you from my point of view. You're just gonna wanna make two counterclockwise circles. So counterclockwise circle 1, counterclockwise circle 2. Now you're gonna wanna put the first circle on before and the second circle on after. And there's your knot.
Everyone, thanks for watching. For everything tents, photo booths, sub to my channel. I am the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy. See you on the next one.